Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the brain teasers of factors and multiples. Now question number 1A, tick the correct option. 6 bells commence means start tolling together. Tolling means striking together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. After how many minutes they will toll together again? So this type of sums we have done already in the worksheets regarding the LCM. So here also the after how many minutes they will toll together. So first find LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. You know the LCM by common division method. Start with 2, 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 10, 6s are, 12. Again with the 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 3s are 6. Isn't it? Now again 2 is there. Divide by 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. Now it is 3. 1, 1, 3 1s are 3, 1, 5 as it is, 1s are. Now it is 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1s are 1. Hope you understood. Now find out the LCM. LCM is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 3 and 5. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So you got a 120. Okay. Now answer all 6 bells will toll together again after 120. This is seconds. After 120 seconds. Now 120 seconds, it's a big number, so you can convert into minutes. 120 upon 60. Why? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 6 1s are, 6 2s are, that is 2 minutes. They will toll after 2 minutes. Option 4. Is it clear? So if they ask this type of sums, after how many minutes it will toll together, so you have to find out the LCM. Now coming to the question number B, the HCF of two numbers is given, LCM is given, one number is 275, what is the other number? Last worksheet, isn't it? HCF is equal to 11, LCM is equal to 7700, first number is equal to 275, second number you don't know, let it be X. So the property HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers HCF is 11, LCM is 7700, one number is 275, the other number is x. So keep x on the right side. 11 into 7700 upon 275. Now here one of the number is 11. So check divisibility test for 11. This is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. 2s are 22. 5 remains, isn't it? 11 5s are 55. Now 5 ending with 0, ending with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 2 remains. 5 5s are 25. 2 remains. 5 4s are 20 and 0. Now again 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. Now 5 how much are 4? 5 zeros are small number. Now so 4 take it to the next digit, 4 and 0 40. 5 8s are 40. So that is why x is equal to 308. Understood? So the option is third. Is it clear? That was question number 1A and B. Okay, now coming to the C. Pick the correct option, C. The greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the lengths 7 meter, 3 meter, 85 centimeter, 12 meter, 95 centimeter. The greatest length means what? HCF. Already we have done. Greatest पूछेंगे तो HCF, smallest पूछेंगे तो LCM. So to find out greatest length, find HCF of 7 meter. It is 700 centimeter. 3 meter 85 centimeter. 385 centimeter. And ये 1295 centimeter. Isn't it? तो अभी सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिखेंगे, डायरेक्टली हमें तीनों का HCF ढूंढने का है. सबसे छोटा है 385, नेक्स्ट आएगा 700, नेक्स्ट आएगा 1295. सो 385 एंड 700. याद है ना? Brain teaser is a revision of the full lesson, but at different sums and at a little bit higher level. Okay, 385 टूजा करेंगे तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा. चेक करो. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 8s are 6 and 7. So only one time. 385. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Now here 9 minus 8, 1. Now here it is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now take this 385 inside. It will be only one time. So 315 into 1, 315. है ना? Now 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now you have to take this 315 inside. Now 7 how much are 31? 2 digit, 3 digit. So ask 1 digit and 2 digit. 7 how much are 31? So 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Can't put. So 4 74s are 280. 5 minus 0 5. Now 11 minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is 3. 2 minus 2 0. Now already you know 35 2s are 70. Now you got ये दोनों का 35 है. अभी 35 को लेकर 1295 next number. Now 35 2 डिजिट में छोटा है, अभी 3 डिजिट लेने का मतलब अभी बड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एक डिजिट रहता है, तो इसके लिए इसको 2 बार डायरेक्टली डिवाइड करने का है. 135 3 4 बड़ा होगा तो 3 डालो. 3 5 15. 3 3 9 प्लस 1 10. 9 माइनस 5 4. अभी इधर बचा 2. ये 5 को नीचे लेकर आओ. याद रखो ये 2 डिजिट और इधर 4 डिजिट, तो हमें बड़ा नंबर है तो 2 बार ऐसे डिवाइड ही करने का, ये मेथड से नहीं जाते हैं. नाउ 35 हाउ मच 245. ओके 35 3 8 24. 8 5 40. 8 3 24. 25 26 27 28 बड़ा होता है तो 35 7 7 5 35. 7 3 21 22 23 24. समझ में आ गया है ना ये कैसे करने का. इधर 2 डिजिट इधर 3 डिजिट, तो आपको अंदाजा लेने के लिए 35 इंटू 3 हाउ मच 24. 3 8 तो उससे ट्राई करो 35 इंटू 8. फिर बड़ा है तो छोटे एक डिजिट छोटे से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखने का. सो अभी आया 7 2 4 5. So you got HCF is LCM. Sorry, I'm sorry. 35 is the HCF, but it is centimeter है ना, इसके हिसाब से that is the 35 centimeter. HCF is equal to 35, but the answer is 35 centimeter. Now coming to the question number D, 252 can be expressed as a product of primes. अभी प्राइम नंबर C आने का है, ठीक है. तो आपको चाहिए तो उसको एक बार ये प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके देखो. 2 1 2 2 4. 1 remain. 6 12. 2 6 12. 2 3 6. नाउ 2 से नहीं जाएगा. 3 3 2 6. 3 1 3. अगेन 3 7 21. 7 1 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 7. What is it? The first option. सब 2 3 7 दिए हैं, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट कौन सा है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके देखो. Which one of the following is a factor of every natural number? कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर का फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज 1 itself. So the option 1. Is it okay? So you have understood the question number 1. Now coming to the question number 1A we have finished. Now coming to 1B. It is find the highest common factor, that is HCF, of 36 and 84. You know already, isn't it? Now it is simple for you. So 36 is smaller, 84. 36. 3 2s are 6. 2 digit है तो 1 digit पूछो. 3 how much are 8? 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 2 से multiply करके देखो. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So it is 2s are 72. 4 minus 2 2. 8 minus 7 1. अभी 36 अंदर लेकर जाओ. अभी 12. 3s are 36. Now 12 is the HCF. So answer HCF is equal to 12. Is it okay? Now coming to question number B. How many factors does 36 have? फैक्टर्स कितने हैं? तो पहले फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करो. कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का? आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है. 36 1 36 जा 2. इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 1 जा 2. 1 remains. 2 8 जा 16. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 4 9s are 36. Next it is 6 6s are 36. Interchange हो गया तो directly you have to ask. So it is a U-shaped, isn't it? So what are the factors? Factors of 36 is equal to 1 2 3 4 6. Only one time. 9 12 18 36. How many factors they have asked? 36 has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 factors. कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स पूछे नहीं है, कितने फैक्टर्स पूछे हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए भी हमें देखने का है. फिर लिखो कितने हैं. नाउ एक्सप्रेस 132 एज द सम ऑफ 2 ऑड प्राइम्स. तो ये भी ऐसे वाले सम्स किए हैं हम. डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट. सी 132 बहुत बड़ा है तो आपको मालूम है 100 के ऊपर क्या क्या है. सो 101 प्लस 131 is 132, isn't it? So it is a 101 and 30. Okay, that was question number C. Now coming to question number D. What should be added to 4057 to make it divisible by 9? Divisibility test for 9. You remember? Isn't it? And now the question is what should be added? याद है? What the number should be added, what number should be subtracted, वो method. So what should be added to 4057 to make it divisible by 9? So पहले इसको divide करो. You know already it is not divisible by 9. So find out. 9 how much are 40? 9 4s are 36. 4 remain. 10 minus 6 4. अभी ये 5 को नीचे लेकर आओ, 45 मिला, 9 5 जा 45, अभी मिला 0। अभी 7 को नीचे लेकर आएंगे, 9 हाउ मच जा 7, छोटा है तो इसके लिए 0 जा, और इधर आएगा, है ना, 0, सो रिमाइंडर मिला 7। तो हमें अभी क्या करने का है, नाइन माइनस 7 कितना, इट इज 2। तो 2 को ऐड करो, है ना, पहले ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, और जो नंबर है ऐड दिस, सो इट विल बी 4059। एडेड के लिए, सब्ट्रैक्टेड के लिए डायरेक्टली रिमाइंडर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, एडेड के लिए सब्ट्रैक्ट द डिवाइजर माइनस द रिमाइंडर, एंड देन जो आंसर आया उसको ऐड करने का है। सो इट इज 4059। चेक करो, इज इट एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 9? 9 4 जा 36, 4 रिमेन, 5 नीचे लेकर आओ, 9 5 जा 45, 0, अभी 9 को लेकर आएंगे तो 9 1 जा 9। Now the remainder is 0. So what is the number to be added? Answer 2 should be added to 4057 to make it divisible by 9। याद आया? देखो लेसन बड़ा है तो बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स है, सब टॉपिक्स ब्रेन टीजर्स में आएंगे। सो इट इज लाइक अ टेस्ट, इजंट इट? द फुल लेसन का टेस्ट है वैसा। सो सबको याद रखने का है। नाउ फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 95, 105 and 115 by the continued division method. So सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 95 lesser than 105 lesser than 115. Now 95 and 105 ये दोनों का HCF फाइंड आउट करो। 95 105 मतलब ओनली वन टाइम 95 माइनस करोगे 5 माइनस 5 0, 10 माइनस 9 1। नाउ 95 अंदर जाएगा, 10 9 जा 90, रिमाइंडर 5, अभी 10 अंदर जाएगा, 5 हाउ मच जा 10, 5 2 जा 10। होप यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ दिस नाउ, इजंट इट? सो ये आया हमें 5। अभी ये 5 को इधर लेकर हमें 115 फिर से। चलो अभी 5 and 11 एक बार डिवाइड होता है तो दूसरा बचा है। सो अभी 2 बार इसे ऑर्डिनरी डिवीजन। सो 5 हाउ मच जा 11, 5 2 जा 10, 1 बचा, अभी 5 को नीचे लेकर आओ, 5 हाउ मच जा 15, 5 3 जा 15। Now which is the HCF? 5. Answer HCF is equal to 5. Is it clear? So we have completed question number 1, A and B subdivisions. Hope everyone understood all these sums. Bye. Thank you.